going to do a quick review on the Wavlink or Wavlink USB 3.0 dual bay docking station for both hard drives and SSDs. If you wait to the end of the video, I will be running some transfer tests to determine whether such speeds are suitable for you. Unfortunately, I was unable to test the cloning capabilities of this docking station as I did not have a spare hard drive or SSD on hand to do so. The main reason for this purchase was so that I can have two hard drives connected at the same time and easily swap hard drives without the hassle of opening enclosures. For me, it offers reasonable and expected speeds for the price range of £20. It runs just like any other hard drive enclosure that you would buy. There are cheaper alternatives, but aesthetically they don't look as good as this one. A great feature of this docking station is that it allows you to transfer files to both hard drives connected at the same time. And just to run through some of the features that have been advertised with this product. First one is that it's plug and play, supports standalone one button cloning, compatible with 2.5 and 3.5 SATA 1, 2 and 3 HDD and SSDs, has super speed USB 3.0 to SATA connectivity, supports UASP protocol and speeds up to 5 GB per second. It's also compatible with Mac OS X and Windows. Inside the box you will find the docking station itself, a USB 3.0 cable, a power adapter and a user manual. One thing to note just before going into a speed test is that you must power off the docking station when inserting another hard drive in, otherwise the first hard drive will forcefully get ejected, as you can see demonstrated in the video now. So make sure you turn off the docking station and place both hard drives in at the same time and then turn it on.